Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Toyota RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive, stock number Z7313A. 43,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, super white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear seats recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with a removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This XLE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power moonroof, easy to read gauges, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen Entune infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this RAV4 has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 176 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.